Hello everyone, Ollie Tech Boy is here. In this video, I'm going to unbox and install a stick of RAM I got from Shopee. It is a used DDR4 2666 MHz RAM. Let's proceed to the unboxing. Take my penknife, break the tapes. Break the tape as well. Tape is broken. Break this tape. And the RAM is out of the box soon. Take out this protector. Peel the tape off. And this is a stick of RAM. Here, this is a stick of RAM. I'll be installing it into my PC. Let's install this RAM I just unboxed to the PC. First thing is to align the notch carefully. The notch must be aligned properly. Inserting the RAM. Be very careful. Now try to install the RAM. Okay, the RAM clicked in successfully. Make sure both of them are clicked in properly. Alright, the system detected the additional memory installed, which is now total of 16 gigabytes, aka 16384 megabytes. This concludes the installation and unboxing video. I really hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share and comment on video, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.